Okay. Start.
স্টার্ট করবো।
হুম। স্টার্ট
ওকে
করো। রেকর্ড চলতেছে।
ওকে ভাই, হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, মাইসেলফ অভিজিৎ সকারণিক, আই এম ফ্রম গ্রুপ 26. I, here I am starting my presentation. Okay, top, the topic of my presentation is developing a machine learning model for sonographic assessment gestational age. So, what the research paper is about? So, this research paper presents the development of a machine learning model for sonographic assessment of gestational age. The goal of research is to improve the accuracy of estimating gestational age using ultrasound measurements, which is important for monitoring fetal growth and ensuring proper proper prenatal care. The researcher used a dataset of ultrasound image and corresponding gestational ages to train the machine learning model. The model was then evaluated to a separate set of images to test its accuracy and performance. The results showed that the machine learning model was able to accurately estimate gestational age with a high degree of precision, outperforming traditional methods of ultrasound measurement. And next, okay, now why we use machine learning for sonographic assessment of gestational age? The research paper develop gestational age assessment is a critical part of prenatal care as it helps healthcare providers monitor fetal development and identify potential risks or complications. Traditionally, this has been estimated using methods such as menstrual period and clinical examination, but these methods can be imprecise and may not account for individual variations in fetal growth. Ultrasound imaging has become standard for assessing gestational age, but accurately measuring fetal size and age can be challenging, especially in cases of fetal growth restriction and abnormal development. The development of machine learning model that can accurately estimate gestational age based on ultrasound data could have significant clinical implication, potentially improving the accuracy and consistency in this sector. Next, okay, now how we are planning to approach. So we will gonna be will going to follow 7 steps for this for implementing our research. First of all, data collection. The researcher here the researcher collected data from 50,000 sonography exams performed between 2013 to 2017 at a single institution. Then comes data processing. The researcher pre-processed the data by removing incomplete or inaccurate records and standardized the image sizes. Then model selection. The researchers experimented with several different machine learning models, including convolutional neural networks (CNN) and support vectors machine (SVMs). Then training the model. The researchers split the data into training, validation, and testing sets. They trained the inception V3 model on the training set using a optimizer and categorical cross entropy loss function. Then model evaluation. The researchers evaluated the performance of the model on the validation set by calculating various metrics such as accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, etc. Model testing. The researcher tested the final model on the aired out testing set and compared its performance to the other two experienced sonographers who independently accessed the gestational age and fetus in the same set of images. Results. The researchers found that the Inception V3 model achieved a high accuracy of 94.7% in predicting the following issue. Overall, the study demonstrates the using of machine learning in models to accurately predict predict gestational age from austeric sonography images. Next. Now, how it will contribution in the future. So, firstly, the machine learning model developed in the paper has the potential to improve the accuracy and efficiency of gestational age assessment during pregnancy, which is crucial factor monitoring fetal growth and development. Secondly, the development of this machine learning model could pave the way for integration of artificial intelligence technology into routine care. And finally, the research highlights the potential of machine learning in other areas of medical imaging and diagnosis. The techniques and methodologies developed for gestational age assessments could be applied for other medical imaging modalities such as MRI, CT scans, and could be potentially used for develop machine learning models in other medical conditions. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Well done.